Tia Clayton, a young and talented sprinter from Jamaica, recently had a fantastic race at the Diamond League meet held at the Kamila Skolimowska Memorial in Chorzów, Poland. She competed in the women's 100 meters and finished with an impressive time of 10.83 seconds. Her time was the same as that of Marie-Josée Ta Lou from the Ivory Coast, but Tia was given the win because her torso crossed the finish line first. Although Tia ran very fast, her time of 10.83 seconds won't be recorded for official rankings. This is because her race was wind-aided. A wind-aided race means that the wind was blowing too strongly from behind the runners, giving them an extra push. In track and field, if the wind speed is above 2.0 meters per second, which is about 4.5 miles per hour, the times aren't counted for official records. This is to make sure all athletes have a fair chance when comparing their performances. In Tia's race, the wind speed was 2.9 meters per second, which is higher than the allowed limit. Even though we can't use her time for official records, it doesn't mean she did anything wrong. The wind wasn't illegal, it just means that the conditions helped her run faster than she might have in normal conditions. Tia's win is still a big achievement and shows how hard she has been working. It's a sign of her talent and potential for the future. All Jamaicans are proud of her, and we're excited to see what she will do next.